And the very good feature that I very like is the maintenance mode. This is my favorite feature actually. So here you can select this maintenance mode button, and then the moment you select, and suppose you are doing some kind of environment update or some kind of database management update or anything you are trying to do, and you want to shut down your application for a couple of minutes, you can always go ahead and turn on this maintenance mode. Let me try and show you what happens when you turn on your maintenance mode. So go ahead and click on the maintenance mode button. It will ask you a prompt. It will show you a dialog that, do you really want to enable the maintenance mode? And let me do that yes. And let me go to my project and see in your application, if you refresh your application, you will see that your application is in maintenance mode. This is such a nice tool, isn't it? Like you never created your own web page to show your application in maintenance mode, and currently it is coming free for you. So now let me go ahead and disable the maintenance mode. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching this video from beginning to the end. Happy coding and be happy, and we will see you in my next course. Bye.